It's just one machine, one mold inside. Huh? So he's right now glazing some palomba pieces. This is not too big, of course, for our system. It could be for our system, but we don't have the program for the robot yet. So this is done manual. Here you can produce any color, but all of this blue is basically coming out white in the end. So this is not going to be blue. We produce very little colors at the moment. It's not a big order for that. He's applying the logo, the Laufen logo.
Can we go?
See the screen. On top is a camera. And when the piece moves in, the camera realizes what product it is, and it will place this green template on the screen. So now he will move the piece exactly to this template. And now it's in the right position for the next machine. If you look from the top down, when it's inside, you will see a little red arrow. So now we have docked on and we fill the whole thing with glaze. I don't know if you can see it from the top. There's a little red arrow. It will take a few seconds and then it's full. And the little laser pointer is just to see how full it is. And this we do so that underneath the rim and in the sides and everywhere there is glaze. Other factories don't do this, and then you have certain parts of the product which is not completely glazed. And this ensures a very, very hygienic product. Then up here, treble this.